First of all, we are going to start a prayer. All join your hands, close your eyes, and sit straight. And you're going to repeat after me. Okay? Oh God, teach me to know you and to love you. Good morning, all students. Now, today we are going to learn EVS subject. EVS subject is environmental studies. Okay, students. First of all, who will tell me what is environmental studies? What is environment? Who will give me the answer for this? What is environment? Yes, children, I will tell you. Environment is surrounding. Surrounding means nature. What is uh, uh, the, what is there near us? Everything, trees, natural things, birds, mountains. These are what natural things made by God. Okay. Now these natural things, what will be given by who is giving natural things? God has given us natural things. Now environment is, first of all, environment is what? Trees, surrounding, which affects our nature. Okay. Now, in that environment, we have different seasons. Okay. So, who is going to give me the answer for seasons? How many seasons are there? Yes, children. There are three seasons. First season is summer season, winter season, and rainy season. Now, full year, in a full year is consists of 12 months. 4 months is of one season. Other 4 months is of other season, and the next 4 months is of third season. So, 4 months consist of one season. So in summer season, now coming to the point, summer season, what type of clothes we wear? We wear summer clothes so that we wear cotton clothes so that we can get sweat properly. Our clothes, we will not get irritate and all. The such type of clothes we wear. So our topic is our clothes. Okay, children? First of all, in this environment, in this full environment, our basic needs are what? Our basic needs are food, clothing, and shelter. Okay, children. Now, these are very important for our health and for our life also. Okay. Now, what is it? Why food is important to survive? Right? Why clothes are important so that we cannot get affected by the seasons like summer season, winter season, rainy season. If we are not wearing clothes, what will happen? Our body will get damaged. Our body will get uh, uh, affected by the surrounding, right? And in rainy season, what we wear our raincoats. Why we wear raincoats? To protect our body from rains, right, children? Now, in this clothes, we have seen three seasons. Okay, children. First season was rainy season. Second season is summer season. Can you see, children? And the third season is winter season. Now, according to the seasons, see these three seasons, according to these seasons, we wear our clothes, right? Now, see, children, this is a handkerchief. We use this handkerchief every day. Why we use this handkerchief? We use this handkerchief to rub our nose when we are sneezing. We use this handkerchief, right? Then we use socks also. Why we use socks? We use socks in winter season. In summer season also we use socks, right? Then, what is this, children's? Who is going to tell me? What is this? Very important now. This is a mask. Very important in this corona period. Without this, we cannot go out of the house. Right? So this is very important. You are understanding? So this is what a cloth. This is also made of a cloth. So our main topic today is clothes. Why we use clothes, why clothes are used, and what type of clothes we use according to the season. Okay, children? Now, see, I'm showing you many clothes and you are going to give me the answers. So, what is this? Yes. What is this, children's? Yes, children's. What is this? So that we can come to the clear topic. Yes, this is a sweater. When we use this sweater, when we use this sweater, yes, tell me when we use this sweater. We use the sweaters in winter season. Now this is a winter season. We feel very cold going out in the morning, in the night. So we use this sweater. Small children are using sweaters. Big people, big adult people are using that mufflers, scarf, then shawls also we are using. Yes. Now, children, what we will do is I will ask you some questions and you're going to give me the answers. Okay? Yes, very good, Ayush. Winter season. We use sweaters in winter season. Now, first of all, see what we do when we go out, what type of clothes we wear. When we go for occasion, when we go for a certain occasion, we use different type of clothes. When we stay at home, we use different type of clothes. We don't wear a nice traditional dress in home, na? We are using different clothes, normal formal dress in our home. When we go out, we use traditional dresses, nice dresses. Then when we go in school, what type of clothes we use? We use uniforms, right? For in schools, we have two types of uniforms. Who is going to give me the answer for two types of uniform? What type of uniforms we use in schools? What type of uniforms we use? Yes, children's. Who is going to give the answer? See, two uniforms are there in the school. One is regular uniform, right? And the other is PT uniform. Within a week, we are using one day in a week, we are using PT uniform, right? So these two types of dress are there for school uniforms. When we go in offices, we use different formal dress. When your daddy goes in office, he's using different type of formal dress, right? And when he's at home, he uses different clothes, right? This is the difference of clothing. How clothing we are using, how clothes we are using. Yes, PT dress we are using in schools, right? We don't use PT uniforms in home, now. We are using PT uniform in school uniform in school, right? So this is the difference between clothes, what type of clothes we are using. Now we have certain. I will be showing you certain pictures, and you will be understanding what type of pictures, what type of dresses in the olden days people were using, and now also we are using that customs and traditions, same proper customs and tradition. When we go out, we use different clothes. When we go in native place, we are using that type of traditional clothes. How they are living, that type of traditional clothes we are using, right, children? Yes. See, children, now I'll be showing you certain images, and from that images, you will be understanding what type of dress we use. See, welcome to our online class, Environmental Studies. I am your Kunda teacher. Okay. Now, First of all, see in this picture, what can you see? See, there are different type of peoples according to the languages and according to the customs and tradition. These peoples are wearing their dresses and the proper code. Okay. See, first one is Kashmiri. Can you all see everyone? See how the type of dress is there. Okay, children. So this is the different type of dress we are using. Okay. See, in first one is Kashmiri, the second one is Marwadi, then Maharashtrian outfit is there, Sikh is there, then Christian is there, then Koli people how they are using these dresses. That is there, Kerala and other all cities, all states and their customs and tradition. All got on students? Yes. Now, see, I told you before our basic needs are food, clothing, and shelter. Why food, clothing, and shelter is our basic needs? Because without food, clothing, and shelter, we cannot survive on the earth. Okay? Food is very important, clothing is also very important, and shelter. Shelter is very important. So, where we will stay then? Okay? So, that shelter is important. See, the three seasons: summer season, winter season, and rainy season. See now, children. Now these seasons, first point is that changes in the weather divides the year into three different parts, right? These are called as seasons. I told you 4 months is one season, right? So these three seasons are summer season, winter season, and rainy season. Now approximately each season is of 4 months, right? According to the seasons, clothing styles also changes of people, right? Okay, children. And in these seasons, there are changes in the environment and nature too, right? According to the seasons, environment and nature also changes. See, in winter season, very cold atmosphere is there. So the trees are also very greenish type and all. So we are getting cold airs. Oxygen also we get very nicely, properly, right? In summer season, there is so much of hot, right? So hot season, what hot season gives us? Yes, hot season gives us sweat, irritation, right? But these all seasons are very important. Now in rainy season, rains are there. All people, all students like rains, right? So these three seasons are very much important for our life. See now, in this picture, a collage is made of seasonal dresses. In what type of seasons, what type of dress we are wearing, right? See, in summer season we use short, right? Then t-shirts. Small girls are using petticoats, dress, right? Some are using while going out. Some are using umbrellas. Some use scarf also, so that our skin will not get tight and all, black and all. Okay. See, these things are used in rainy seasons. Umbrella, gum boots, then raincoats. These are used in rainy seasons. Yes. Now, see in winter season, many things are there to use in winter season. As if I have shown you a sweater, right? So I'm having this muffler also. See, this muffler is also there, right, children? I'll be showing you again after this. See, in winter season, we use such type of dresses. Now, see, when we wear warm clothes, see, what clothes do we wear in cold winter? We wear warm clothes in cold winter. We wear hats, scarves, and gloves when we go out, right? Now, you are going to give me the answer for this. What is this? So, this is a raincoat, right? I'll be asking you questions, right? You have to give me the answer. Yes, children. See, this is the sweater. We use this type of clothes in winter season. See, in this picture, we can see many type of cotton clothes which we use in summer season. See, these are the silk clothes. Silk clothes, when we use this silk clothes, when we go out for some occasion and all, we are using very nice clothes. very pretty dresses we are using that are called as silk clothes. See, this is our school uniform. When we use school uniform while going in school, right, children? This is the PT uniform. You all wear PT uniform in schools, na? If one day in a week, I think so. It's on Wednesday something, right, children? See, these are the traditional clothes. Small children are wearing this type of traditional clothes. Then this is the Western clothes. When we are using this Western clothes, we are using this Western clothes in some occasion, marriages, reception, or anyone's birthday is there. We use this type of clothes. Now this one is, what can you see in this image, children? See, in this image, we can see one man in white dress, white dhoti, and the feta is also there, right? Pagdi is also there, right, children? The next man is what? He is using the topi, Maharashtrian topi. The next lady towards him is what? The lady wearing sari, right? Yes, this is our Maharashtrian style sari. See the small girl wearing that ghagra. Okay, children, and the boy next to that lady is using wearing school uniform. Can you all see, children? Yes. Now this is now 1 second. Huh? Yes, all understood, children. While as you all see the images, you have understood what the topic was. It was about our clothes, right? So these type of seasons, these 3 seasons, we use different type of clothes. Now I will be asking you some questions and you are going to give me the answer. First of all, I will be showing you some clothes. You are going to tell me when we use this type of clothes. Okay, children, see. What is this? Yes, give me the answer. What is this? Can you all see? Yes, children. What is this? Give me the answer. Yes, give the answers fast. What is this? Fast, fast, children. This is a, yes, yes, very good. Snehal. This is a shirt. This is a t-shirt, right? When we use this t-shirt, who will give me the answer? When we use this t-shirt, we use this t-shirt in our daily life, right? Daily, you are using this type of t-shirts and pants. Small children are using this type of t-shirt and pant, right? Yes. What is this? Yes, give me the answer. What is this? Yes, yes, fast, fast. We are using this every day now. Without this, we are not going out of our house. Yes, children, fast. Yes, very good, Preeti. Mask. Why you use this mask? Why we use this mask? Yes, yes, mask. But why we are using this mask? Who will give the answer? Yes, children. Why we use this mask? Yes, Corona is there to protect ourselves from Corona. We are using this mask. Very good, children. Now, I will be asking you some questions. You are going to give me the answers for that question. Yes. Listen to the questions very carefully. Okay. The first question is, it's a puzzle type question, right? I wear a white coat and examine the patients. Who am I? Yes. See, first one, I wear a white coat and examine the patient. Who am I? Yes, yes, very good. Doctor, very good students. Very good, doctor. Now the second question, okay? Yes. Second question, listen carefully. I wear blue clothes and put out fires. I wear blue clothes and put on, yes, give the answer. Fires. Who am I? Next question. I wear blue coats and put out fires. Fire. Who is coming for when? Yes, fireman. Very good, children. Fireman. So, what is the intention of giving this answer so that we can understand what type of clothes they are using and we can identify these peoples, right? When a doctor is using his coat, white coat, we can identify in public so that he is a doctor, he is a policeman, he is a fireman, right? So this is the type of clothes. This gives us different type of clothes people are using. No, Jamuna is not police, he is a fireman. Police is wearing khaki clothes. Okay, understood? So, those who want to write, you can write down in your notebook, right, children? Yes, fireman. The next question is answer is fireman. Okay, yes. Now, third question. Shall I ask you a third question? Yes, third question is you always see him in a khaki clothes. He go where there is a fight. Whom you see in khaki clothes? Whom you see in khaki clothes? You can see him in, yes, give the answer police, yes. In khaki clothes. Khaki clothes is very important, very easy to understand, right? Yes, children, khaki clothes. So, who wears khaki clothes? Policeman. Yes, understood all of you? This is what clothes we are using. Okay. Now, I work in hospital. I take care of patients. Who am I? Yes, you the answer. Nurse, very good. Jamuna, very good student. Huh? Yes, nurse, sister, we can say that also. Right? Then, next question is I am always ready to protect the country. I am always ready to protect the country. Who am I? Yes, army man. Yes, very good, children. Understood all of you? Yes, Samshed, nurse is for protection of patients. Yes. Okay. So the next answer was what? Next one was army man. Understood, students? This is what we are learned about clothes. Okay. Now you are going to tell me when we go out in some marriages. You can write in the chat box also. When we go out in some marriages, what type of clothes we wear? Are we wearing home clothes in marriages and all? Yes. What type of clothes we wear? Modern wear. Yes. Mummy is wearing nice sari. You are wearing nice dress, ghagra, and also these are what called as traditional dresses. Okay. So that are called as traditional dresses. I have shown you in the pictures, right? So that are called as traditional dresses. When we go out in rainy season, Yes, who will give me the answer? When we go out in rainy season, what type of clothes we wear? What we wear? What we use in rainy season? In rainy season, yes. What type of clothes we are wearing? What we use in rainy season? Raincoats. Yes, we use raincoats. We use umbrellas also. Yes. Yes, umbrellas. Yes, very good. Some shade, very good. Umbrellas and raincoat. In winter season, what we use? What we use in winter season? Yes, in winter season. Children, in winter season, what type of clothes we use? What do we use in winter season? Muffler, yes. Mufflers we use. Then what else we use? What else we use? Sweaters. 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 Yes. What else we use? Gloves. Yes, many things are there to use in winter season. Now this is a winter season going on. Now these 4 months we are having winter season. Much more cold will be there. Okay. Yes, hat also we use. Hat and a cap also so that we can cover our ears too. Okay. This is called as clothing. What type of clothes we use? Yeah, shoes also we are using. So to protect our knees, to protect our foot also. Yes. What else we use? Yes. Let's give the answers. Yes. Uh, when we go in villages, yes, children, give me the answer. When we go in villages, what type of cloth your grandfather is using? What type of clothes your grandfather is using? Have you heard the name of dhoti? Dhoti. Yes. Summer clothes, okay. But the tradition of village peoples, village, your grandmother must be using that sari, right? In Maharashtrian people are using this dhoti, then pajama, right? Feta also they are using. In marriages also, see, you can see in marriages many of people are using fetas. See, I'll tell you. See, village people, villages and the olden people, old peoples. What they use dhoti, right? See, dhoti, then pajama. You all must have seen in your native place, na? Yes, summer clothes also, but in this summer clothes, the proper tradition of village people. And then mummies are using saris, dresses. Your feta is also used, feta. Then a cap is there. Maharashtrian people, white color cap is also there. They are using that cap, white color cap. Topi, they are called they are called as topi. Understood, children? This is the things, clothes. Yes, shirt pant, normal shirt pants. Okay, yes, topi, shamche. Yes, very good. Okay, understood, children? Now, see, now according to the languages, people are wearing their dresses. Now, Punjabi peoples, see, coming to Maharashtrian, we understood. We are using these things. Okay? Maharashtrian, what they are using dhoti, pajama, feta, topi. And ladies are using saris. Then those are old ladies. They are using that lugda, no wari sari. Nine wari sari. Yes. Now, in Punjabis, what they're using? When we go in Punjab side, they are using Punjabi dresses and their feta, that pagdi. Punjabi people are using that pagdi. See, have you all heard about pagdi? Punjabi people are using pagdi, right? Then when we go to Christians, Kerala side, yes. When we go to Kerala side, what they are using Kerala side people? Yes, who will give the answer? Kerala side people. See, they are using that. Jains are using that white color cloth, wrapping themselves with white color cloth, cotton cloth. We are calling using it as lungi, right? So Kerala people are using white color cotton cloth. Okay, understood, children? Okay. Now, what else? Who can tell me what is the different? Yes, topi is used in Maharashtra. Okay. Yes, children. Topi is used in Maharashtra. Maharashtrian people are using topi. Then dhoti also they are using. Right? Sikh people. What you can tell? Give me the answer about Sikh people. What type of dress they are using? Yes. 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 Ayush. Yes, they are using pagdi. Okay. Yes. Yes. Understood all of you? Yes. Now, when we go upside to the north and south side, yes, dhoti, yes, yes. Kashmir, Jammu Kashmir. When we go to Jammu Kashmir side, they are using different type of dress. See, the ladies are wrapping themselves with the Kashmiri dress. Have you all seen anyone Kashmiri dress? They are using that Kashmir. Jammu Kashmir people are using Kashmiri dress. That is the speciality of that place. Okay. As if in Maharashtra we are using dhoti and all. In Kashmir, Jammu Kashmir, they are using Kashmiri dress. Understood, children? So this is what about our clothes. What type of clothes we are using? Why we are using this type of clothes? Now, who will give me the answer? Why we use clothes? Yes, we all learned about clothes, different type of clothes. Why which month we are using this clothes? So who is going to give me the answer? Why we use clothes? Why clothes are used? Yes, give the answers. Yes, children. Yes, why we use clothes? Yes, children, give the answer. I have taught you so much things, na? Why clothes are used? Yes, clothes are used to protect our our body from different seasons which affect our nature or environment. Okay, children, understood? See, clothes are used to protect our body from different seasons and which affects our nature and environment. Different seasons, it affects our environment. And so to protect our body, we use different type of clothes so that we cannot get, our body cannot get affected by the nature. Okay, children, understood? Now, I will give you one assignment. Okay, the assignment you are going to write in your notebook, and I will be asking you in the next lecture. Okay, Ayush, what you don't know? Clothes, clothes. Why we use clothes? I have taught you all now, na? So why we use clothes? Clothes we use to protect our body. Okay, understood, children? Now write on the assignment order. I'll be writing in the board. Okay. See, children. First question. All are going to give me the answer for this. Huh? What type of dress we used in winter season? Yes. Give the answers. Next question. When do we see people using raincoats and umbrella? When do we see people using raincoats and umbrella? Yes. When do we see? Yes, give answer. Cannot see the questions. You're going to write in your notebook. Yes. Third question. Yes, rainy clothes. Rainy clothes, but in rainy season, right? This first question is what type of dress we use in winter season? We use sweaters, mufflers, then socks, right? This we use in winter season. Yes. Now, third question is make list of dress different dresses we use in our daily life. Very easy question. Make list of different dresses we use in our daily life. What type of dresses we use in our daily life? You are going to write down the names of dresses which we use in our daily life. Yes, children, understood all of you? Yes. Right now only. Give the answers now only. Who will be giving the answer for these three questions? Can you see the questions? Yes, rainy season and umbrella. We use this. This is the answer for rainy season. Okay. Third question answer. Who will be giving me third answer? Third question answer. Make list of different dresses we use in our daily life. Yes. What type of dress we use in our daily life? Yes, check. Fast, fast. Make a list. Make a list. Number one, number two, like that. Like that way you make a list. Yes. No, you write in the chat box now what type of dress you are using. T-shirt, pant, then frock, dress, traditional dresses, saris, pants. This you are going to write. Then coats. In cold season, we are using sweatshirts also, right? That also you can write. Yes, write fast, write fast. Give me the answers. What make list of dresses we use in our daily life? Different dresses we use in our daily life. Yes, yes, Ayush, you have shown the images, that emojis. You just have to write what type of dress you are using. Yes, write the spellings there. Yes, give the answers. First one, this both you have written. You will come to the list of dresses, right? Yes, shirt pant. Very good. First one is shirt pant. Okay. Second, what is the second one? Shirt pant we are using, right? Then second one, t-shirt. Yes, yes, t-shirt. Then come on, give the answers fast, fast. Frock. Very good. Frock. Yes. What else? Frock. Then dress. Traditional dress, you can say. Then what else you can see? What else you can see in our daily life? Sari is very good. Then lehenga, very good. Yes. Then we can see PT uniforms. Uniforms also will be there, na? You can see people, students going in uniform to schools. Okay. So uniforms. This is what about clothes. These are the clothes we are using. Okay. Then what else? If old people are there in your house, they are using dhoti, right? Then pajama. Yes. School uniform. Yes, Jamuna. Very good. School uniforms. See, I have written here. Uniforms. Okay. Then old people are there in the house. They are using dhotis, pajamas. Right? Yes. Understood, all of you? Have you got cleared about this chapter, this subject? Okay. Understood, all of you students? Say yes or no. Yes, Jamuna. PT dress. See, uniform consists of PT dress also. Okay. Uniform consists of PT dress. Yes, school uniform, PT dress. Okay. Then you are having scout guide dress also, right? This is what about clothes. These are the clothes we are using to protect our body. Okay, understood, all of you? This is a question. you are going to write in your notebook. I'll be asking you in the next lecture. Okay. Ports. Yes. Ports are also there. Yes. Ports. Okay, children. Understood all of you? Yes. Who will give me the answer about environment? What is environment? It is just a general knowledge question. What is environment? We are learning about environmental studies. Na? So who will give me the answer about what is environment? Yes. What is environment? Environment is what? Environment is surrounding, our nature. Salwar suit. Yes, Ayush, very good. Salwar suit. Now coming to the next question. What is environment? Yes, environment is place. Yes, our nearby place, surrounding, where there are trees. Main important thing is in environment there are natural trees. Natural trees, mountains, animals, yes. Now, you give me the answer. We protect ourselves from different seasons by using different clothes. How do animals and birds protect themselves? How do animals and birds protect themselves from these three seasons? Yes, children. Have you ever thought about that? How do animals and birds protect their body from cold, from summer seasons? Yes, give the answer. Yes, give the answer, children. What do animals and birds do? They do not come out. They do not fly in the air. They come out, na? They come out. They fly in the air. They do all other activities what they do usually. How do they protect themselves? Do they use some clothes which we are using? Yes. Birds, how do they protect themselves from different seasons? In rainy season, rains fall. Birds and animals also get wet, right? By falling rains. What do they do? Yes, yes, children. You're giving names of animals. Yes, animals. Yes, very good, Jamuna. They are what they do. They run in the jungle and they find a place where they can protect themselves, hide themselves. Okay, hide themselves in the trees or in the mud also or in the soil also. The animals, those who are there on the land, they what they do, they go beneath the land and protect themselves from the seasons. Okay. Okay, the next question. Yes, when we wear warm clothes in winter, if we wear these warm clothes in winter, in rainy season, what will happen? What will happen when we wear sweaters in summer season? What will happen if we wear sweaters in summer season? Is it good for our health or it will affect our health? When we wear sweaters in winter, summer, what will happen? Yes, no, Jamuna, right? But what will happen when we wear sweaters in summer season? Can we wear sweaters in summer season? Yes, give the answers. No, yes. Why we cannot wear sweaters in summer season? Yes, Kanak, no. The answer is no. But why we cannot wear sweaters in summer season? Because in summer season we get much of sweat. Okay, so in summer season the sweat also there will be there, and again we are wearing sweaters, so more heat will be. Yes, we will fall sick. Very good, Jamuna. Okay, sweaters in summer season we will fall sick because of double sweat. Okay, understood all of you? This is the question for summer season and winter season. Okay, understood? Now, again, one question is there. Okay, in rainy season, trees get bloom with leaves, right? With flowers also. In winter season also, it happens the same. But in summer season, it doesn't happen that. Why? In winter season and in rainy season, trees blooms with leaves and flowers. But why this cannot happen in summer season? Yes. Rainy season, rain falls, right? So rain falls and the old leaves falls down and the new leaves comes to the trees, right? In winter season also this happens. But in summer season, more of heat is there so that the heat gives direct radiation to the trees. So the tree get yes, sunflower. So the trees get uh, burnt out. Yes, it's very hot. Yes, very good. Jamuna, very good. Understood all of you? So these are the differences between the three seasons, and according to the seasons, what type of clothes, what type of environment gets affected is there in this chapter. Understood all of you? This is of today's chapter, our clothes. All have understood this? Yes, childrens? Okay, children. So this you are going to write in your notebook. Okay, understood? This is the different type of list of different dresses we use in our daily life. Yes, in winter and rainy season, the atmosphere is cold, so the trees leaves cannot fall, do not fall. Okay, understood? Yes. Bye bye. Yes, bye children.